Hi all, welcome to Acharya Coding School. In this class, we can discuss about the LVM and RAID Basics. So, before going to this, we can go to the each and every abbreviation in detail. So, LVM means Logical Volume Manager. So, it's a mainly flexible layer on the top of our physical storage. For example, if you think logical volumes, it's mainly a flexible layer on of our physical storage, which we are mainly using for create logical volumes. Mainly we are using for the reusability, extendable and movable. So without worrying about the physical disk, we are using this logical volume manager. So it's mainly an advanced way to manage our storage. It's made more flexible than the partitions which we have done earlier. Let us think with this an example. You have know about the these Lego bricks, right? In childhood, you have played everyone these Lego bricks. So you need to arrange each and every brick by order to form a one structure. Same as like here in the place of Lego bricks, we can consider this logical volume manager and we can relate. So these Lego bricks means each brick has a fixed block of storage. For example, if you think this has some fixed block of storage, this brick has a fixed block of storage. So we have like a physical volumes. Means single Lego brick. If you take this single Lego brick, it has a physical volumes. And there is a group of these bricks stacked together to form a structure. Same as like we have the volume groups. Volume groups. And we have like a logical volume as well. So it's a mainly a structure you need to build using these Lego bricks. So if you want to create one structure using these Lego bricks, you have already some structure oriented pictures available. You need to arrange these Lego bricks in this manner. Same as like we have the logical volume. So with the logical volume manager, logical manager, you are adding more than one. You can add more disk to your stack and you can expand your logical volume. So even from scratch, you can build your own structure using these Lego bricks. So we have like a physical volumes, volume groups, and logical volumes available in the logical volume manager. So these are the physical volumes, which is the actual size of our storage of our brick. So let us think with the if we take it as a brick. So it's a if you think this as a disk, it has a single Lego brick. It has a physical structure. physical storage as well. And we have like a volume group. So volume group is combination of these bricks. Combination of these bricks. And we have like a logical volume. So this is a structure you are made from the bricks. So this is a usable storage created from the volume group. So we can deal with the LVM in Linux by step by using some commands. Before going to that, we can discuss the concept of RAID as well. Then we can go to the bricks concept, LVM concept as well. So here the main is a RAID is a method to combine multiple physical devices to achieve the redundancy performance. So because if you want to perform any action fast, so we are using this RAID. So RAID means redundant array of independent and inexpensive disk. So we have like a RAID mainly using for the backing copies. If one block breaks, so for example, if you take this Lego bricks, if one block breaks, so automatically we have the backup of another brick. So we have like a RAID 0, RAID 1, RAID 5 by 6. So we can discuss this one in detail. So this RAID 1, if you have stored your books in the multiple shelves, for example, if you take you have stored your books in the multiple shelves. So there itself we want to write one, which is equal to exact copy of books. So which we are using for the one. If one book breaks, means one shelf breaks, obviously we have the another shelf. So to keep our for better reusability. So the right one equal to mainly the exact copy of books. On two shelves. So if one shelf breaks, obviously we have the another shelf, same as like mirroring concept. And we have like a RAID 0. Equal to mainly it split pages of your book across shelves. So for faster, we are using this RAID 0 concept. So the RAID 0 is mainly striping data across different pieces. So it's mainly using for the very fast purpose. There is no redundancy. And in the RAID 1, we have followed the mirroring concept. Here the data is safe. And it's a more than 2x speed. And we have like a RAID file. It's mainly using for the striping and partitioning. It has a concept of speed, safe and fast. But it requires more than 3Ds. Because the pages which we are splitting across shelves and as well as the backup pages. And we have like a RAID 6. So which we are using for the striping. And there will be like double party. So which we are using for the safer purpose. So which we are needs more than 4Ds. But it has a extra backup for failure. If any failure occurs, we have the extra backup without getting any errors. So now let us execute this LVM and RAID commands. First deal with this LVM commands. Now start our Linux mission. So once it is got started, we are going to install the LVM in our Linux machine. So here we are using for installations for everything. We need to provide the root user. Yeah, now it got installed. So we can verify the LVM version. So we have installed the 2.316 version. Now deal with these commands. Be careful when you are pasting these commands. So we need to install only one. Sometimes due to compiler issues we are getting. Let us try to solve it now. Sudo pv create let's try with the SDX as well. So this mainly the specific disk partition we are dealing. So we can deal with the how many types of disks are available in our system. So we have like a different types of disk partitions. So we have like we need to check like our PV creation is available in our disk or not. So if it is not available, if you check the disk type, PV creation is not available in our disk partitions. So then we need to create this. So if it is not available, we need to go with the available disk. Sometimes we are going to get issues. Let us try one by debugging. So we need to verify which PV creation is available in our system. Then you can create sudo PV create. So then we used to checking like a free device which we have. Let us try one more time. So this one also not available. For example, check with the disk. So we have like a folder partitions available. Then we need to create a physical volumes. Let us try one. So we have like a NVMe physical volumes. So let us execute now. NVMe 0 N1. So the device is already partitioning. So that's why we are not able to use it. So let us give the new number. So it's no device not found. In real time also we are dealing with this like only. If you are getting any errors as a Linux administrator, you need to troubleshoot everything and you need to work on the these installations and everything. So we have only one disk. So the disk mainly we are have already partitioned into different ones. So we need to create a volume now. Go to the volumes. We need to go to the we need to same availability zone which we have taken for the EC2 machine. So for this we are going to the our EC2 machine. Let us need to check on the availability zone which we have taken. So we have taken the availability zone as 1A. So for those we need to create a gateway before this. No gateway. So we need to go into the console. Let us wait. It's an implementation. Let us try to execute these commands. So, how can we execute the physical volume, volume group, and logical volume? So, we can discuss each and every command in detail. So, we can connect to the Linux machine. So, once we are connected, so we can check which LVM tools are installed in our system. So, by giving which physical volume is created, we need to check. So, there is no physical volume is created in our machine. So, it shows that you need to install the LVM in our machine. LVM 2-1. So, this is for installing the Amazon Linux 2, for which we are installing. So after the installation is done, we are checking which device is actually available in our system. So once it is done, you need to give something like, so if you check like if we have NVM 0 and 1, so it is disk partition. So we have like a different types of partitions and types. So we are created a device name. So we can create sudo physical volume creation. Here our device name is, which the volume we have created is SDM. So here we have created the physical volume. Then we can create the volume group. We can create the volume group. So the volume group also created. And we have a command from LV create. So logical volume create. So we can create this one as well. So you can check logical volume also created. And we can create the MFR, MKFS, so different types of commands we can execute using these logical volumes. So it's also done. So we can mount the volume groups and everything. We can execute the volume data. So we have like different types of commands which we have executed. Thank you.